Hey everybody, how you doing? Hope you had a quiet, pleasant weekend. All right, this week is what they're calling your primary learning week, and this is where you're going to be doing just a little bit more than what you did last week. I'm not going to pile a whole lot on top of you because, well, to be blunt, a lot of the things that you have been working on really need to be worked on a little bit more. Okay. So I'm kind of going to go backtracking a little bit over a few things that I think are very crucial to this project, the social issues PowerPoint slide project that you're working on. I need to point out a couple of things to you. I don't know if something got lost either in the translation or because of the circumstances that we're in, where we're doing all of this kind of remote and you're working on your own. But we do have the opportunity to use the Zoom teleconferencing. Um, I already spoke with one of your classmates the other day using this, but we're going to get into that in a little while. And I just want to say that I think it's very important because me giving you instructions, on a screencastify like this, I don't think covers the ground the way it should be as if we were together in the classroom. All right, so bear with me, please. Okay, let's just kind of backtrack to last week, right? I had given you a couple of jobs to do, and some of you do it, some of you don't do it. All right, I'm not going to get into that. But however, I have a list here of students who do not have clearance for a video conference. Now, the video clearance is for the Zoom teleconferencing. Anything else, that clearance isn't necessary. And what do I mean by that? Well, for example, we have the Flipgrid here. Now, the Flipgrid is a video messaging application. It's not in real time, right? I have a topic, maybe I record a little video asking you a question, you respond, you share, and that's your video. And as far as our district has told us, we don't need, or you don't need, specific permission or clearance to provide that video response. Okay. I am not a lawyer. I really don't know all the ins and outs of the FERPA. So be that as it may, I don't think any of you responded to the Flipgrid introduce yourself. Okay, please keep in mind that this is a class participation grade. You don't do this, it's going to end up not helping you. Okay, all right, so I've made my point about that. All righty, let's go up this way. All righty. All right, you've been working on your social issues slides, and I have been going through the work and I'm seeing some things that need to be changed a bit. I want to first go back to the plate project, okay, because that was the introductory. Alrighty, so I'm going to go here, plate project, and I'm going to use Ramon. I'm going to use your example as a model because it came out pretty much the way I'm asking everybody to do it. Right, so you had your images, right, and down here, right, you answered the 5 questions. Right, it sounds like Passover, right? The 4 questions. Okay, so you answered the 5 questions here down in the speaker notes thing. That's all very well and good. A few of you have not gone that far, and I'll talk to you individually about that. Okay, nobody really has to know anybody else's business. Okay, and then, um, alrighty, there we go. Okay. Um, your slide number one, I'm sorry, where is your slide number one? Okay, your first slide is not the same as your plate project slide. Okay, your slide number one, okay, is where you have already identified the social issue or what a social issue is, right? It's the general broad thing, okay? got your name, you've got your what is a social action, and then you have here a quotation from somebody or some institution, usually a person, of course, that is relevant to your social issue. Okay. Um, this particular person, um, oh, yes, oh, never mind. Okay. What I want to ask you to do on your next few slides is when you go through the pros and cons, okay, what you want to do here is you want to, in the speaker notes, tell me where you got your pro and your con. Okay, so you're just going to copy down the name of the article that you went to, the pros and cons on the database, right? I gave you that information last week. If you're still not sure, we can go over it again a little bit later, right? So for the pros here and the cons, right, you're just going to tell me the name of the article and a URL. Okay, so we see that here: pros, cons, information, links. Pros, cons, information, links. Okay, so here you can see your model, right, on the conflict diamonds, the pros and the cons, and the works cited, those two links. Okay. Um, please be careful because I know that I did say to you that I had to delete the your first slide assignment link on Google Classroom so that I could update it. And yeah, I know it's a real pain in the ass, and I apologize, right? So please bear in mind that your table project slide is a completely different entity for now, okay? So you're not going to put that with your slideshow, alrighty? So um, make sure that your slide one and your slide two PowerPoint are separate from your table project slide. Alrighty, let's see. I think I might have covered most of that. Yes. All right. Okay, I believe I have done that. All right, so listen, my friends, your mission this week is you're going to complete your slides, slide number 2, slide number 3, and slide number 4. Okay, remember, these are all different social issues that interest you, and you're going to create the slides in the same fashion, right? Social issue, the definition in your own words. You're going to go to the databases, you're going to find the pros and the cons, and you're going to just list them here for me and for each other. Alrighty. I don't think there is anything else right now that I need to cover. I'm going to put up a what is called Sign in Genius. It's an application for you wanting to sign up to do a teleconferencing call. I'm learning how to use this, and just like you're learning how to use all this kind of stuff. So it's a little bumpy right now. So what I think I'm gonna do is perhaps set aside a little bit of time today for a conference call if you want to join it. If not, maybe you want to email me and tell me when you are available, and we'll try to work that out together. Okay, so I think you guys have what you need in front of you. Um, there is a lot to do before the end of the year. We still got about 2 months, 2.5 months left before the end of the year, and we're going to do the best we can with this. All right, awesome.